Are you preparing for CSIR NET? Then take some moment to watch this video because you should avoid these 5 mistakes while preparing for CSIR NET. Mistake number 1. You start preparing aimlessly and not analyzing the trend. And that's the biggest mistake because the syllabus is huge and you have very less time. So you would be completely lost if you don't know where to start from. Analyzing the trend could help you. So first you should start analyzing the trend. That would help you to understand where to start from. Mistake number 2. Reading all the 13 units superficially. You don't need to read all the units superficially. You just need deeper understanding for 6 to 8 units in order to qualify this examination. And the biggest mistake is not practicing part A type questions, where the questions are numerical or aptitude based questions. You should practice those questions daily. It's a bit difficult in the beginning, but with practice, you can do it. Mistake number 3. Relying too much on the coaching institutes. While it comes to CSIR NET, you think of coaching, right? And you have a self-doubt whether to take self-study or coaching. And many of the cases, you end up doing a coaching. But let me tell you, nobody is going to drill the concept through your head. You have to sit, analyze, and understand the concepts by yourself. Somebody can give you some information, notes, all okay. But you are the one who need to understand the concept. Now you can analyze yourself, that what type of person you are. For example, if you are a person who likes to do it yourself, then do it yourself. And if you are a person who needs a little bit of hand holding, then go for coaching institute. If you're thinking of coaching, online coaching these days is really good option. Unacademy is bringing a wide variety of subjects on which you can take help. If you're worried about entrance examination, Unacademy got you covered because they have lectures, notes, doubt clearing sessions which make your preparation journey really easy. They have sessions for different entrance examinations including CSIR NET. Right now, they are organizing a mega MSc entrance mock test. So you should register right now because there is a cash prize. I mean, you can get that prize in terms of Amazon voucher. This is going to happen on March 27, 2022 and it starts from 2 p.m. It's a 120 minutes test and you can win Amazon voucher worth rupees 38k. That's quite a lot. So you have to rank high in order to win this. You can enroll by clicking on the link which is provided in the description. You can use my code AP10 for enrolling free, and you can also scan this QR code. In order to enroll, you can download the app, click on the link in the description, use my code AP10, and then you get the free access. Okay, let's come back to the mistake number 4. Mistake number 4 while preparing for NET is not making your own notes, and that's crucial. So you're thinking that which note is the best for CSIR NET. Your easy choice is to look through the notes, and your hard choice or difficult choice is basically to read the book and make your own notes. By the way, I have a hell lot of notes regarding several topics of biology, but please don't ask me for the notes. Note making is kind of like a detective game. While you take the clues and make a map of your concept in your copy. For example, you can make a note on gel filtration chromatography like this. You can ask, what is this technique? Details about the method. Why we should use this method. And where we can use this method. How does this method is discovered? All of these things can be your small points and you can elaborate on them and thereby connecting the dots. And that creates a huge and nice note. These are called mind maps. If you want to learn in details how to make notes and how to take notes, I have a video on that. Mistake number 5, not thinking about the big picture. While preparing for the CSIR NET, people are generally too much focused. They want to crack this examination, they want to crack the interview, and they want to do research. It's not like that. The moment you crack all these things, you cannot start doing research because you don't have a research aptitude which is developed, right? So while preparing, you should also have a research aptitude. That should be your long-term plan, and that's what you should think all the time. Sometimes your focus is too local, but you should think globally. If you are thinking of a career in academia and you aspire to be a scientist, then you should develop critical thinking instead of thinking of doing CSIR rank 1. CSIR rank 1 doesn't ensure that you are a good researcher. So you should focus how to think and how to analyze problems critically. If you want to want to learn more about it, I have a video on that. So click on the link to understand how to build up a research aptitude. Mugging up information doesn't really help, but research aptitude will help you in the long run. 3 things you should do to increase your research aptitude. First is start reading paper right now. Yes, you have to prepare for CSIR NET, but side by side you can also start reading paper. Watch online seminars. With the expansion of YouTube, it's now really easy to catch hold of all very nice seminars. And then you should start you should start reading research papers. That's the biggest thing. Like, at the end, what I wanted to say is always have a plan B, because your plan A, that means qualifying CSIR NET, could fail at any time. In that case, you should have a plan B, because without a plan B, your life wouldn't be good. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can go get many flashcards and notes in my Facebook page. Don't forget to support my channel on Patreon. You can follow me on social media. My social media links are provided in the description. Feel free to connect. Happy to help. See you in next video.